Hello guys, Global Studio here for your Solidworks tips and tricks. In this video we will learn how to import Iges files into Solidworks. So without any delay, let's start this video. To import the file, you have to go to file option and click to the open, and I will browse the Iges file. I already have the file in my system. So as you can see guys here, Iges file. Now I am clicking to this file, and you have file options in the bottom right corner. Just click to this drop down menu and then select the file type. It is Iges. As you can see guys here, Iges file is available, Iges and Iges. Just click to this and click open. As you can see guys here, it is processing. It is asking, do you want to run import diagnostic on this part? I am clicking no. As you can see guys here, this file is imported to SolidWorks. It is very simple, right? That's all for this video guys. I hope you guys learned this trick properly. If you got this tutorial properly, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video once again. I will meet you guys in the next video. Bye bye.